It is the public demand for these individuals who have been invited for several times to appear before the committee to really provide the necessary information for the public to know how these funds were actually utilized. It is her duty. Duty above personal travel. Dapat.
Nako. Yari tayo
Dagdagan
dyan.
ko lang po, ano, good faith is
Sino to?
presumed in every act.
Ah,
no?
si
But
ano,
the
si-
presumption does not
Si,
apply
ano,
in this case. So, ibig sabihin,
bulungan.
meron hong bad faith. Sa mga anong rason? Unang-una, they were invited
Bungulan.
several times. Pangalawa, makikita pong merong bad faith kasi umalis po siya ng bansa the night before the scheduled
Kasuhan
hearing.
nyo.
And the notice, I guess, was served. And they were improperly informed of the date and the schedule of the hearing. They could
Kasuhan
probably
nyo.
rescheduled the personal trip. So, ang implikasyon po kasi nito is, magdududa po kasi yung taong bayan. Ibig sabihin, baka tumataka sila or iniiwasan nila ito pong Quadcom hearing para hindi sila matanong sa mga issues na pinupukol sa kanila. So, I call the attention of this person na unahin ang kanyang trabaho because the Chief of Staff has the obligation to explain the irregularities, the concerns, and the issues. Kasi kung wala naman tinatago, bakit ka umiiwas? You could have attended the first hearing.